Hi everyone, hope you're well. We're back in the workshop today in the Valve Automation Centre. So I just thought I'd do another quick little video to give you an insight into what we do here at Valve and Process Solutions. Today we're building up some actuated packages with positioners. We've got the Worcester F44 ball valve fitted with an Actuated ASR spring return actuator, and we've got the PMV P5 pneumatic positioner on top. So the task for today is really to assemble and test everything. We're fitting the actuator, fitting the positioner. We're piping up in this particular instance in stainless steel because that's what the customer's specification calls for. We've got double ferrule fittings on there. We put little filters into the breather ports on the actuator and on the positioner. Once we've assembled them, we'll be doing a full function test. So we'll be applying the control signal. We'll be testing the valve and the position at various different points just to make sure it goes through the full function. And that's the great thing about Valve and Process Solutions. Anything you take from us, be it just a valve or an actuated package, everything is tested 100%. So we know when it leaves us, it's working properly, so that when it arrives at site, you don't have any problems when you come to install it. And that doesn't matter whose package it is, whose valve, whose actuator, whose positioner, whose solenoid. We test everything 100% to give you that peace of mind that when it arrives, it's going to work. So we've done quite a few already today, and we better get a crack on and do a few more. So thanks very much for watching.